For this video, we're gonna show you how to back up the familiar email service Google Mail. To successfully complete this task, you need to run your default browser that you usually work with. After opening Handy Backup, you will turn to the first tab where you need to select a backup task and click Next. Then you will be transferred to the next step where you need to expand the email group on the left panel and make the double click onto the Gmail plugin. Here you will see the string named Create Connection. Again, click twice on it. In this simple dialog window, click the Connect to Gmail to proceed further. The program opens a standard browser window with the Gmail login page. Having already registered to Gmail, the program will ask you for permission to use Gmail with Handy Backup. You need to permit this. The message will report that everything is OK. Close your browser window and return to Handy Backup. You will see another message about successfully established connection. Press OK. Re-expand the Gmail plugin now on the left panel. New connection will open with all folders and messages within. You can save either few or a single message, as well as back up your post box entirely. When finished, click OK again and proceed to the step 3. These and other steps are typical for any backup task. You may skip these steps by clicking Next. Do not forget to select storage for Gmail backup on the step 3 and to give a name for your task on the final step 8. Run your new task and wait until it's finished. Now go to the Windows Explorer and find the storage that you chose on the step 3. Here you will see the folder named after your task name and the 0 folder inside. This folder contains your backup. Open the subfolder that contains the messages. You will see the list of messages that you copied to this place. All messages are separated from each other, so you can now browse, view, delete or even restore these messages at ease without need for a full recovery. The subfolders inside the backup folder have the same names as mailboxes in a backed up Gmail account. This simplifies browsing for a particular message or other effectively. To learn more about Handy Backup, please visit our website and follow us on social networks. We're also glad to answer any question about Handy Backup by an email.